team is to represent the team of Santa Cruz, Laguna sa nakaraang Intertown na naganap ng Pilbert Intertown. First fight from Black Team, Miras, Madis, Escosura, Oquendo, and Castro. Is starting fight from White Team, De Leon, Andres, Reyes, Guevara, and Tutusi. Shout out kay Boss Julius. Coach ng Black Team, Coach Darby Escosura, and Coach Oping Reyes para naman sa White Team. Jump ball battle between Madis and Tubusin. De Leon gets the ball from White Team. Here's the number 5 using glass, no good. De Leon gets the ball, put back, using glass, no good again. Rebound by Madis. Madis to Oquendo. Oquendo to Miras, jersey number 6, pass to Castro. 15-second shot clock. Castro to Miras, to Oquendo. Escosura jump for jersey number 4, no good. Guevara, jersey number 10, gets the ball, pass to De Leon, intercepted. Miras, pass to Castro. Castro to grab, using the glass, good for 2 by Castro. De Leon, pass to Guevara. Guevara to Tubusin. Tubusin, good for 2 by jersey number 7, Tubusin. Miras to Castro. Castro to Miras, jersey number 6. Miras back to Castro, 15-second shotgun. Castro kick out to Miras from top of the key. 3 points, Miras. He scored 5-2, 3-point lead by Black Team. Guevara right up and from 3. Guevara no good. Rebound by Oquendo, pass to Miras. Miras wearing jersey number 6, setting a play. Miras from top of the key. No good, Tubusin gets the rebound, wearing jersey number 7 to Guevara. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Guevara to De Leon. De Leon pass to Andres. Andres don't no good. Escosura gets the rebound, pass to Miras. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Miras to Madis. 15-second shutdown. Madis jump. Good for 2 by Jared Madis. He scores 7-2, 5-point lead. Intercepted. Madis gets the ball. Hurry, jersey number 13. Teardrop, no good. Reyes gets the rebound from White Team. Pass to Guevara. Guevara pass break to Tubusin. Tubusin running jersey number 7 lays it up. Good for 2 by Tubusin. Oquendo from giving ball to Miras. Miras to Castro. Castro back to Miras. 15-second shot clock. Miras back to Castro. Castro to Oquendo. Kick out to Madis. Madis from Rainbow Country. 3 points, Madis. Guevara answers 3. 3 points, Guevara. 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Miras to Oquendo. Good for 2 points. Escosura. 7 minutes to play. Guevara pass to Tubusin. Tubusin brought to Guevara. To Reyes. Reyes will pass to Andres. Vision glass. Good for 2 by Andres. Miras wearing jersey number 6. Saras by Reyes. Reyes winning the ball. Pass to this irrigation. One ball substitution. Jersey number 5 out De Leon. Kapugatan. Win. Andres to Kapugatan. Tubusin center screen. Kabugatan, Ibarra gets the ball. 15-second shot clock. Ibarra to Pusi drives. Good pursuit by jersey number 7 to Pusi. He scored 12-11, 1-point lead by Black Team. Miras pass 2. Batis to Escusura, kick out to Miras to Okendo, intercepted by jersey number 7 to Pusi. Kabugatan to Reyes. Wide open, jersey number 1. Good pursuit by Reyes. Escusura, jersey number 4. Good pursuit. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. He scored 14-13. 1-point lead by Black Team. Kabugatan. Dapat Sumibara, no good. Escusura gets the rebound. Miras, jersey number 6. Winning the ball. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. It will violate substitution. Reyes out. Andres out. Okendo out. Castro out. Escusura out. Binotong naman de la Cruz. Akbang. And Molera in. Batis. 10 seconds to shoot. Miras wide up for 3. Not this time. Rebound by jersey number 7. Pusi into Kabugatan. Kabugatan cross pass to jersey number 2. Molera using the glass, still good. Bam gets a rebound. Kick out to Kabugatan. 10 seconds to shoot. Kabugatan. There's no whistle ball. Foul on jersey number 6. Miras first personal foul on Miras first team foul. Black Team. Substitution to losing out. Suerte in. Ibarra jersey number 10 losing the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Suerte pass to Akbang. Akbang no good. Rebound by jersey number 10 De La Cruz. Miras to Mirondo. Same ball. Time remaining 4 minutes and 43 seconds. Substitution Ibarra out. Luwalhati in. Remaining time 4 minutes and 43 seconds. He scored 14-13, 1-point lead by Black Team. Batis still good. Kabugatan gets the rebound. Going jersey number 13. Kabugatan pass to Molera. Good pursuit by Molera. Libronto. Kabugatan no good. Rebound by jersey number 8 to Akbang. 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Substitution Miras out. Bernardino in. Game of ball. Pass to Bernardino. To Manaban, back to Bernardino. 10 seconds to shoot. Bernardino to De La Cruz. 5. White ball. Within time 3 minutes and 50 seconds. It's score 15-14, 1-point lead by White Team. Kabugatan prompting inbound to Suerte. Back to Kabugatan. Kabugatan jersey number 13, Akbang. Akbang in and out. Rebound by De La Cruz. Jersey number 10 from Black Team. Bernardino intercepted. Kabugatan gets the ball. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Kabugatan to drop. Good pursuit by Monte. Kabugatan. Bernardino to Manaban. Jersey number 5. Manaban to jersey number 13. Batis back to Manaban. Kick out to Mirondo. Mirondo drives the good. Mirondo offensive rebound. Put back. Good pursuit by Buffy. Mirondo. Molera. Jersey number 2. Jump. Suerte gets the rebound. Jersey Wizard. We call on jersey number 14. Substitution. Batis out. Roan in. First personal foul. First team foul. Black Team. White Team. 3 minutes to play. It's scored 17-14. 3-point lead by White Team. De La Cruz. Number 2 by jersey number 10, Yellow Cruz. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Kapulatan pass to Dual Hati to Mulera. Number 2 by jersey number 2, Mulera. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Jersey number 1 to Mirondo. Drives, there's the whistle. Foul. Foul on jersey number 2, Mulera. First personal foul on Mulera. Second team foul. White team. Super throw shot for Marvin Mirondo. First right, no good. Second try is good. 1 out of 2 para kay Marvin Mirondo. Score 19-17, 2-point lead by White team. Kapulatan, pass to Mulera. Mulera pace. Mulera jump, no good. Rebound by Walhati. Pass to Sweater. There's the whistle. Foul. Foul on jersey number 2, Mirondo. First personal foul on Mirondo. Second team foul, Black team. So free throw shot para kay jersey number 14, Sweater. First right is good. Second right is good again. 2 out of 2 para kay jersey number 14, Sweater. Kick out 2. Banaban, jersey number 5, good for 3 points. He scored all 20, 1 minute and 55 seconds. Pagkakata to Walhati. Timeout, White team. Remaining time, 1 minute and 50 seconds. He scored all 20. He scored 21-20, 1-point lead by White team.
Pero lahat filter yan. Marami lang din ako sabi din. Makapira makapanood ng laban eh.
Back to the ball game. Bernardino to Banaban. Banaban to Mirondo. Pass to Roan. Number 2 by jersey number 15, Roan. Corpus. Ibarra fakes. Pass to Johnson. Johnson to Walhati. To Ibarra to Andres. Wide open for 3. To 3 points, Andres. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Bernardino answers from long 3. Roman put back, no good. Rebound by jersey number 10, Ibarra. 1 minute to play. Corpus pass to Walhati. Walhati to Johnson. Jump, no good. Bernardino gets the rebound. 55 seconds. Bernardino to Roan. Pace. Roan pass to Bernardino. Using the glass. Good for 2 by Bernardino. 45 seconds. Corpus to Ibarra. Ibarra to Johnson. Johnson behind the arc, no good. Rebound by Mirondo. 35 seconds. Mirondo lays it up. Good for 2 by Bobby Mirondo. He scored 26-24, 2-point lead by Black team. 3 points, Corpus. 15 seconds, number shot clock. Bernardino pass to Mirondo. Mirondo back to Bernardino, 5 seconds. Banaban answers from block 3. No good. End of the first quarter. He scored 27-26, 1-point lead by White team. booking. Ball possession para sa black ball. The start of second quarter. Miras 78 years number 6. Back to Miras, 15-second shot clock. That was still good. Mulera pass to Johnson. Johnson in and out. Miras jersey number 6 reading the ball. Backward violation. White ball. Shot clock at 14 seconds. Inbound by Mulera. Mulera to Johnson. Johnson. Molina to Mulera. Mulera to Suerte. Suerte to Mulera. Using the glass. Good for 2 by Mulera. The last ring the ball, wearing jersey number 6. 15-second shot clock. The last to Rivera. 10 seconds to shoot. Rivera to Miras. Wide open from 3. Rivera put back no good. Guevara gets a rebound, wearing jersey number 10. 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Johnson pass to Molina. Wide open from 3. 3 points, Molina. Miras to Ramos to Tika. Tika pass to Tuason. Jump no good. Ramos put back no good. Guevara gets a rebound. Guevara wearing jersey number 10. Pass to Mulera. Mulera jump. No good. Rebound by Suerte. Jersey number 14. 10 seconds to shoot. Suerte to Johnson to Guevara. Taking a long 3. 3 points. Guevara. He scored 35-26 in favor of white team. Ramos to Tuason, cross to Tika, wearing jersey number 7. It's good. Good for 2 by Tika. Johnson to Molina, rejected by Rivera. Substitution, Suerte out. Bubusi in. Molina from the inbound to Guevara. 15-second shot clock is stolen by Rivera. Rivera to Tika. Tika jersey number 7. Is stolen by Guevara to Molera. Lays it up. Good for 2 by Molera. Timeout, black team. Remaining time 7 minutes and 22 seconds. It's score 37-20 in favor of white team. One more timeout para sa black team. One more timeout din pala para sa white team. Back to the ball game.
Batch na si 96 double flip ko parang last week
Ramos from the inbound pass to Miras. Miras back to Ramos. Ramos back to Miras. 15-second shot clock. Miras to Ramos. Rivera. Pass to Tika. Tika no good. Gumusin gets the rebound. Jersey number 7 intercepted. Rejected by Gumusin. Tika. Jersey number 7 kick out 2. Miras wide open from 3. No good. Johnson gets the rebound. Jersey number 12 from white team. Johnson to Guevara. 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Guevara bringing the ball. Guevara drives. Good for 2 by Kim Austin Guevara. 6 minutes and 35 seconds. Pass on, pass to Ramos. Goes against the ball, Johnson to Guevara. Lays it up, number 2 by Guevara. His score 31-20 in favor of white team. There's the whistle. Foul on jersey number 12. Johnson substitution. Tuason out, Ramos out. Johnson out. First person to follow Johnson. First deep foul, white team. Miras from inbound to Castro. Castro to Ocendo. 10 seconds to shoot. Castro, jersey number 14, intercepted. Guevara gets the ball. Block ball. Maris, 10 seconds to shoot. Castro pass to Miras, back to Maris. Maris from play to Patrick. 3 points, Maris. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Here's number 9, pass to Dukusin, back to Corpus to the Leon. 15 seconds shot now. Andres, good. Guevara to the Leon, good for 2 by the Leon. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Miras to Ocendo. Maris, pass to Castro. Castro to Maris. 10 seconds to shoot. Castro, bounce pass to Ocendo. Rivera gets the ball. He's solid by Andres. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Andres, jersey number 11. Now pass to Corpus. De Leon. Good for 2 by Rodan. De Leon. 5 minutes to play. Miras, jersey number 6 to Ocendo. Good for 2 by Ocendo. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Para jersey number 10. Pass to Corpus from Gumtree. Air ball. Rebound by Ocendo. Ocendo 2. Jersey number 14, Miras. Castro to Miras. Miras to Maris. 15 seconds shot down. 3 points, Maris. His score 45-36 in favor of white team. De Leon setting a play. Pass to Andres, back to De Leon. De Leon back to Andres. From the Rainbow Country. 3 points, Andres. He's solid by jersey number 9, Corpus. De Leon lays it up. No good. Rebound by Castro over jersey number 14. 4 minutes to play. Castro kick out to Miras. Wide open for 3. Rebound by Andres. 3 minutes and 55 seconds to Guevara. Guevara, jersey number 10. Guevara pass to Andres. Wide open. Rebound by jersey number 6. Miras. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Miras to Rivera. Jump ball. Substitution. Rivera out. Guevara out. Susunod ay nag-blocking. White ball. Pushing out dan hatiin. Andres from inbound pass to De Leon. De Leon jersey number 5 pass to Andres. Not this time from the Country. Akpang put back. Good for 2 by Akpang. Three minutes and 30 seconds. Miscommunication, white ball. De Leon from the inbound to Corpus. Intercepted, Maris gets the ball to Castro. Castro drives, good for 2 by Castro. Corpus pass to Andres, back to Corpus. Akpang, jersey number 6, no good. Rebound by Escusura. 3 minutes to play. Escusura to Castro. Miras from the Rainbow Country. 3 points, Miras. Score 50-41. Mabasa siya ang makalabanan ng white team. De Leon, jersey number 5, pass to Corpus, answers 3. Corpus no good. Andres gets a rebound, put back, good for 2 by Andres. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Good for 2. De Leon pass to Akbang. Akbang no good. Same ball. Substitution. Andres out. Reyes in. Akbang from the inbound. De Leon to Walhati. Referred to by jersey number 8. Walhati. 2 minutes to play. Miras to Bodies. Bodies Ocendo. Miras wide open from 3. 3 points, Miras. His guard 54-46. In favor of white team. Reyes jump. Good for 2 by jersey number 1, Reyes. Castro taking a long three, no good. Rebound by Akbang. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Akbang jersey number 6 to Walhati. Pass to De Leon. 15 second shot clock. De Leon to Walhati. Number 2 by Walhati. Pass away to Madiz. Wearing jersey number 13 face. Madiz, it's good. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Step back from 3. No good. Rebound by Madiz. Same ball. 1 minute to play. Substitution. De Leon out. Johnson in. Miras to Madiz. In third second, Corpus gets the ball, jersey number 9, lays it up, good for 2 by Corpus. Madiz to Miras, jersey number 6, 45 seconds, Miras from top of the knee. 3 points, Miras. 35 seconds, Reyes, no good, Akbang, good block. Jump ball. Black ball. Remaining time 33 seconds. Madiz to Miras. 30 seconds. Miras, jersey number 6. Johnson gets the ball. 24 seconds. Johnson pass to Corpus, back to Johnson. Good for 2 by Johnson. 15 seconds. No more shot now. 5 seconds. Johnson, jersey number 12, using the last. Good for 2 by Johnson. And of the first half, he scored 62 people in favor of white team.
Hindi kami dalawa namili, tapos pinambilisin ko lang. Wala pa nga dyan siya eh. Siya yung... Sino? Wala ka sila naman eh. Nagpakay ka lang. Hey! Back to the ball game.
po sa lahat ng tao na rin ito, baka po meron nawawala ng susi na may ID lace ng sick-bay. Pakikuha na lang dito sa stage. No possession for white ball. Ibarra, kabugatan, pass to Molera, no good. Miras to Tika. Tika turns number 7. Intercepted. Suerte to Molera. Molera. From the front line, no good. Birondo. There's a rebound. Birondo pass to Miras. Wide open for 3. 3 points, Miras. There's number 13, Kabugatan. Johnson, no good. Rebound by Birondo. Birondo to De La Cruz. Intercepted. Johnson gets the ball. Kabugatan. Kabugatan pass to Ibarra. It's solid by Birondo. It's solid by turns number 13, Kabugatan. Kabugatan to Ibarra. Ibarra to Suerte. Good for 2 by Molera. Tika to Miras. Miras bringing the ball back to Tika. Tika taking a low 3. 3 points, Tika. His score 64-57. Tumas sa pitong kalamangan ng white team. Kabugatan setting play, jersey number 13. Johnson, jump, no good. Johnson, there's number 12, offensive rebound, Molera. There's number 2, jump, good for 2 by Molera.
Diyan na pumawala yan. Pero di nakakwenta kanito.
Birondo to Miras. Miras to Tika. 15-second shot now. Miras pass to Birondo. 10 seconds to shoot. Tika. No good. Birondo put back. Good for 2 by Birondo. 8 minutes to play. Kabugatan. Kabugatan to Ibarra. Ibarra to Johnson. Suerte. Birondo against the ball. Pass to Escosura. It's not good for 2 by Escosura. And 40 seconds. De La Cruz to Birondo. It's solid by Ibarra. Ibarra turns the whistle, foul. Foul on jersey number 2. Substitution. Second personal foul on Marvin Birondo. First team foul, blocking. Super throw shot. Para kay Ibarra, jersey number 10. First strike is good. Second try is good again. Substitution. Suerte out to lose it in. Comes one out, Andres in. De La Cruz pass 2. With pursuit by jersey number 7, Tika. 17 seconds. Kabugatan. 15-second shot now. Kabugatan to Ibarra. Andres, Piagiar. 3 points, Andres. He scores 71-63. In favor of white team. Miras to Birondo. Birondo to Roan. Roan back to Tika. Answers 3. Tika no good. Rebound by Molera. Ibarra attacks. Jersey number 10 no good. Rebound by De La Cruz. De La Cruz to Miras. Jersey number 2 Birondo. Bright. No good. Bobosin gets a rebound. Bobosin pass to Molera. There's no blocking foul. Foul on jersey number 6, Miras. Second personal foul on Miras. Second team foul. Substitution. Miras out, Bernardino in. Deep ball play, jersey number 10, Ibarra. Pagpugatan, bounce pass to Lumusin. Foul, basket at 1. Foul on jersey number 10, 15, Ron. First personal foul on Ron, third team foul. Block team. For the shot, para kay Lumusin. He complete the 3-point play. He scored 74-63. We went back 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Tika pass to Ron, back to Tika. 15-second shot clock. Tika to Bernardino. To De La Cruz. 10 seconds to shoot. Tika pass to Ron. No good. De La Cruz offensive rebound. Tika number 2 by Tika. 5 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. Pagpugatan to Ibarra. 3 points, Ibarra. 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Is solid by Moldera, wearing jersey number 2. Moldera to Pagpugatan. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. 15 second shot clock. Ibarra, kick out to Andres beyond the arc, not this side, rebound by Mirondo. Mirondo to Bernardino, to Tika, 15 second shot clock. Bernardino, Rohan, pass to De La Cruz, no good. Ibarra to Kapugatan, 5 minutes to play. Kapugatan to Ibarra, Ibarra to Andres, no good. Timeout, block team. The remaining time, 4 minutes and 45 seconds. His score 77-65 in favor of white team.
Coach, discuss namin ito bukas Monday. Kasi time na ito, hindi ko na gano'n. Sa Monday na? Monday. Isa lang ba yan? Isa? Hindi. Oo. Nailan yung ano? Nailan comedy.
Ikaw nag-chat ko na ako? Tinag ko na? Pinag-reply?
Back to the ball game. Remaining time 4 minutes and 45 seconds. His score 77-65 in favor of white team. Purple so good. Rebound by jersey number 1, Bernardino. Bernardino to Mirondo. Mirondo to Bernardino, jersey number 1, 15-second shot clock. Body strikes with number 2 by jersey number 13, Bodies. Second shot clock. Same ball, shot clock at 15 seconds. One hockey, third drop, good for 2 by one hockey. Bernardino, backward violation. White ball. He scored 79-67. Here's number 13 ripping the ball. Kapugatan. Purple's line up for 3. No good. Manaman gets the ball to Bernardino. Walhati. Pass to Corpus. Kabugatan. Kabugatan pass to Andres. Is it last no good? Rebound by Walhati. Walhati to Andres. Andres kick out to Kabugatan to Corpus. 10 seconds to shoot. Corpus to Andres. Still good. Andres gets a rebound. Kick out to Corpus. Wide open for Green. Rebound Corpus. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 15 seconds is for 82-67. Bodies to Tuason. Number 2 by Tuason. Three minutes to play. Kabugatan bringing the ball. 15 seconds shot now. Same ball. Shot like a 12 second substitution. Andres out, Reyes in. Substitution, Corpus out, Johnson in. Mugusin out, Vipara in. Kabugatan from the ball to Johnson, back to Kabugatan. 10 seconds to shoot. Kabugatan no good. Rebound by Tuason, pass to Manaman. Manaman to jersey number 3, Tuason, good for 2 by Tuason. 2 minutes and 30 seconds, he scored 82-71 in favor of Whitey. Reyes drives, good for 2 by jersey number 1, Reyes. Bernardino. Bodies, jersey number 13, Bryce, good for 2 by Joven Bodies. Kabugatan to Johnson, back to Kabugatan. Reyes right, jersey Rizal shooting foul. Foul on jersey number 2. Mirando, second personal foul, third personal foul on Mirando. Third team foul, black team. 2 free throw shot for Reyes, jersey number 1, first right, no good. Second right, good again, rebound by Mirando. Mirando to Bernardino. Manaman pass to Bodies. 15 second shot clock. Pass on no good. Bernardino offensive rebound. Bernardino pass to Manaman no good. Rebound to Reyes. Wearing jersey number 1. Reyes to Johnson. Johnson no good. Bernardino gets the rebound to Manaman. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Manaman drives, good for 2. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Kabugatan pass to jersey number 1, Reyes to Johnson. 15 seconds shot clock. Johnson to Reyes to Vivano. 10 seconds to shoot. Walhati. Johnson kick out to Reyes. Wide open for 3. No good. Rebound by Bernardino. Bernardino to Manaman. Manaman no good. Walhati gets the rebound. 1 minute to play. 55 seconds. Kabugatan. Gipara 2. No good by Walhati. Jersey number 8. 45 seconds. Here is the foul. Foul on jersey number 12, Johnson. Second personal foul, Johnson. First team foul, right team. Second shot clock. Mirando, pass to Bernardino from Longtree. Rebounds Bernardino. 25 seconds. Kabugatan to Johnson. Walhati. He turns left hand, Bernardino. 13 seconds, no more shot clock. Manaman using the last, good for 2. Dropping violation, remaining time 6 seconds. 6 seconds remaining time, no more shot clock. He scored 84, 80.
Bumababa.
4-point lead by Whitey. Bernardino 2.
Patay.
3 points, Bobbies. And of the third quarter, he scored 84-83. 1-point lead by Whitey.
Yun nga, gusto nyo lalo tingin.
5, 4, 3,
Raya.
2. Back to the ball game. Black ball.
Nice game, ha? Yung minutes, ha?
The start of fourth quarter. Miras no good. Pateto gets the rebound. Here's number 2 Mironto to Buddies. Buddies no good. Opeko. Offensive rebound. Kick out to Miras. Wide open for 3. 3 points. Miras. And takes the lead by Blacky. It's scored 86-84. Kipara. Pass to Molina. Answers 3. No good. Buddies gets the rebound. There's number 13 to Mirondo. Mirondo pass to Bernardino. 15-second shot clock. Mirondo attacks. No good. Rebound. Way up back. White ball. A clock from the inbound to Gibara. Intercepted. Buddies to Bernardino. Bernardino to Miras. Back to Bernardino. Good for 2 for Bernardino. It's score 88-84. 1-point lead. Molina. Kick out to Suerte. Suerte carries number 14. 10 seconds to shoot. Suerte count. Good for 2 by Suerte. Mirondo to Buddies. Buddies back to Mirondo. 15-second shot clock. Bernardino to Miras. Miras to Okengo. Rejected. 5 seconds to shoot. Bernardino to Buddies. Buddies no good. Losing gets the rebound. Pass to Molina. Molina na pass to. Here's number 6. Number 2. Way up back. He score on 88. 15-second shot clock. There's the whistle. Shooting foul. Foul on Jersey number 7. Tukusi. First personal foul on Tukusi. Second team foul. Whitey. Super throw shot for Marvin Miron. The first right is good. First team foul lang pala para sa Whitey. Second right na good para 2 for Marvin Miron. From the free throw line. Ibarra, jersey number 10 to Suerte. Suerte pass to Akpang. Akpang jump. Air ball. Bernardino gets the rebound. Bernardino drives. There is the whistle. Ball on jersey number 6, Akbang. Second personal foul on Akbang. Second team foul. Substitution. Akbang out. Molina out. Andres and De Leon in. First right on jersey number 1, Bernardino. No good. Second right good. Substitution. Suerte out. Kabugatan in.
Hindi ko napansin ko.
15 seconds. They on step up for 3. Ibarra put back to for 2 by Kim Ibarra. We score on 90. Shot down 30 seconds. 3 points, Bodies. Playing on, missing the glass, good for 2 by Bonner. De Leon. 7 minutes to play. Bernardino to Miranda. Miranda to Bernardino. Bernardino from block 3. Lugosi gets a rebound, pass to De Leon. De Leon, jersey number 5. Pass to Labugatan. Bernardino. Bodies, jersey number 13. Pass to Miranda. 15-second shot clock. 3 points, Villas. He scored 96-92, 4-point lead by Block Team. 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Andres answers 3, no good. Rebound by jersey number 1, Bernardino. Bernardino to Miranda. Miranda to Okendo. Okendo with shot using the glass, no good, but it's offensive rebound, put back, number 2 by Bodies. 6 minutes to play. Kabugatan intercepted. Okendo gets the ball to Bodies. Bodies, jersey number 13. There's Luis Paul on jersey number 13. Whitey. First personal foul on Kabugatan, second team foul, Whitey. He scored 98-92 in favor of Black Team. Remaining time 5 minutes and 48 seconds. Back to the ball game. Yes, jersey number 6 from the inbound to Bodies. Shotgun 14 seconds. 5 seconds. 3 points, Villas. He scored 101-92. De Leon back to Kabugatan. Answer 3. 3 points, Kabugatan. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Miranda. Pass to Bodies. 10 seconds to shoot. Bodies right, no good. Ibarra. Andres to Kabugatan. Foul. Pass to the one. Foul on jersey number 6. Villas. Third personal foul on Villas. First team foul, Block Team. Bronze free throw for Kabugatan, jersey number 13. He complete a 3-point play. He scored 101-98. 3-point lead by Block Team. Remaining time 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Bernardino to Miras. 15-second shot clock. Miras step up for 3. 3 points, Miras. Minutes and 20 seconds. They gonna kick out to Kabugatan, answer 3, no good, Okendo gets a rebound to Miras. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Miras to Miranda. 10 seconds to shoot. Miranda back to Miras. Miras attacks, good for 2. rebound by Buddies. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Foul on jersey number 2, Binondo. Binondo for personal foul, warning for Pondo. Second big foul. Block team. Kabugatan to De Leon. De Leon back to Kabugatan. Kabugatan back to De Leon. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. De Leon to Andres. Back to Kabugatan. To De Leon. De Leon jump. No good. Rebound by jersey number 2. Binondo to Miras. 3 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. Miras waiting for his teammates. 15 seconds shot clock. Miras kick out to Bernardino from block 3. No good. Ibarra gets the rebound. 3 minutes to play. Ibarra to De Leon. De Leon jersey number 5 to Kabugatan. Kabugatan to Andres. No good. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Shot clock. Miras jersey number 6. Ibarra gets a rebound. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Kabugatan to De Leon. Good for 2 by jersey number 5, De Leon. Timeout. Block team. Remaining time 2 minutes and 23 seconds. His score 106-100. 6-point lead by Block team. Both teams one more timeout. Back to the ball game. Second shot clock. Offensive foul on jersey number 6, Miras. Miras for personal foul, warning for Pondo. Third team foul. Block team. Akbang from the ball to Johnson. Johnson to Akbang. Good Brazil by one happy. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. It's score 106-102. 4-point lead by Black Team. Binondo Bright. Good for 2 ball. Paul positive foul on jersey number 6. Akbang. Second personal foul on Akbang. Third team foul. White team. Binondo completed 3-point play. He scored 109, 102, 7-point lead by Block Team. Time remaining 1 minute and 40 seconds. Shot clock at 15 seconds. One hockey jump, no good. Rebound by Binondo. Binondo to Miras. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining time. Miras ready the ball. 15 second shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Miras, no good. Okay, no pull back, no good. Walhadi gets the ball, 1 minute and 10 seconds. Akbang, good for 2 point. Akbang. 1 minute and 5 seconds. 1 minute to play. 55 seconds. Shot clock at 14 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound, right, so good. Bernardino put back, no good. Akbang gets a rebound. 40 seconds. 35 seconds. Akbang to jump shot, wide open from 3. No good. 30 seconds. But his rebound, 25 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. 20 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds violation. 12 seconds remaining. Timeout, white team number timeout. One more timeout. Towards the black team. Remaining time 12 seconds. 12 seconds remaining time. Back to the ball game. Total 28 seconds remaining. Up top to Ibarra, wide open for three. No good. 5 seconds. End of the ball game. Congratulations, Black Team. Blue Team shake hands. All players.
Hindi po namin tinatawagan ang jersey number 24. He play as a power forward sa Malalong Pambayan. 20